Welcome. In this video I will show you how to check the battery health on your MacBook Pro M5. To do that, we're gonna have to access the battery settings, and the easiest way to do that is by clicking the battery icon on the menu bar of the MacBook and selecting battery settings option in here. Then we're gonna have to find battery health menu or battery health option and click information icon next to it. Here we can find both the battery condition and the maximum capacity of the battery. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.